Hey there, how's it going? Roger Kirk, nurse practitioner. I'm going to do something today that we probably all know how to do, but do we really do it the correct way? Do we do it right, or do we do it kind of not so great? That's hand washing. We've all been taught to wash our hands. There was an old school song back when I was a kid. This is the way we wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands. Some of y'all probably know that one, but we've been washing hands for a long time. But most of the time these days we get in a hurry and we don't really think about how's the best way to wash my hands and how do I need to wash my hands to help keep from spreading illnesses like COVID-19, flu, gastroenteritis. Well, the number one thing is you need soap and you need water and you need friction and you need time. That's all you need. Soap, water, friction, and time. Soap, water, those are obvious. Friction is rubbing the hands together thoroughly, and time is 20 seconds or more. So let me show you how to do it. Okay. First, we turn the water on. Want to get it at a nice temperature, but we don't want to turn it on to where it's splashing so much. We want to have a nice run here. And I'm going to hold my hands down in getting my hands wet. Then I will use my liquid soap. I'm going to rub my hands together, fingers pointing downward. First my palms, then the back of my hand, both backs of the hands. Then I'm going to go in between my fingers. And I'm going to scrub fingernails here. If you want to, you can sing the ABC song, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, etc. You can also sing Happy Birthday 2 times. Or you can say, well, this is the way we wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands. As long as you do it for 20 seconds, that's all you need. But those things are fun. And then to rinse, we're going to let the water run down from the wrist forward, letting the soap run off our hands. And trying not to touch the sink because it's full of germs too. And then I'm going to let my hands drip. I'm not going to shake them like that. I'm just going to let them drip and kind of do like that. Then I'm going to take my paper towel. I'll take one and pat, pat, pat. Pat, pat, pat. Notice I get a new paper towel every time. And then I pat, pat, pat. Pat, pat, pat. And with my hand in the paper towel, I go over here to the sink and turn it off because I don't want to re-inoculate my hands with germs. So there, nice, clean hands. So now you see I've got nice, clean, germ-less hands, and I can go about my eating, my doing whatever I'm doing. And I hope that you use this method in this little instructional video to properly wash your hands, teach your kids how to wash their hands properly, and even your friends. And then we can all get through this COVID scare unscathed, happy, and healthy. Thanks, and have a great day.